we have 3/4 squared, then times 8/9. And we've got to simplify this, or calculate it if you like. Now, it's good to remember the order of operations, PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. And it says you do what's inside the parentheses, 3/4, but there's nothing to do inside there. But then we do exponents, right? And then we multiply. So basically, what should we do first in this case? Deal with the exponent or multiply? We should deal with the exponent. Again, it's do parentheses, but 3/4 is already, like, there's nothing we can do inside the parentheses. It's already simplified as far as it can go. So we do need to deal with the exponents first, right? Now, the best way I like to do that is I just go, okay, there's an exponent on the parenthesis. That means I get parenthesis times parenthesis. And then I just write out what was inside there. 3/4 times 3/4, right? And that's kind of dealing with the exponent already because you're writing it out. And then you can just, instead of multiply, you can multiply that and get 9/16 if you want. But it might be more fun to do this. Just multiply that now by 8/9. See that? Because now we have 3 fractions being multiplied. And we don't have to multiply the tops and the bottoms right away to get big numbers. There's a simple way to deal with this. What's a simple way to deal with that there? Yes, you can cross cancel numbers with the top with the bottom. So factors on the top can be cross cancelled with factors on the bottom. So what 2 numbers could we cross cancel, for example? Yeah, 3 into 3 can go 1 time, 3 into 9. 3 times, lovely. What else? Yep, exactly. We can do it again. Looking for a different colored pen. Let's try that. 3 into 3 goes once. 3 into this 3 goes once, right? Okay, now what else can we cross cancel? Yep. 4 into 4 goes once. 4 into 8 goes twice. Good. Yep. So now I've got a 2 up here and a 4 down here. How can we cross cancel these? Yep. 2 into 2 goes once. 2 into 4 goes twice. Good. So what we end up with is 1 times 1 times 1 on the top. And on the bottom, 2 times 1 times 1. So what does this become? Right. 1 times 1 times 1 on the top gives us 1. And 2 times 1 times 1 on the bottom gives us 2. So we get 1 over 2, or 1/2. That's the answer, right? So yeah, that becomes half. Now, other ways of doing it, you could have squared this. You could have got 3 times 3 is 9 over 4 times 4 is 16. 9/16 times 8/9. That's not a problem. You can still do that because look, 9 to 9 goes once here and here. Right, 8 and 8 goes once and 8 and 16 goes twice. And this becomes 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2, 1/2, right? Sometimes students multiply it all the way through. They get 9 times 8 would be like 72. 9 times 16 would be 144, I think. But now you have to simplify this. And that just takes a little bit of time because you're thinking, okay, 12 into that goes maybe 6 times, and 12 into that goes 12 times, and you get 6 over 12. 6 into that goes once, 6 into that goes twice. So I guess that becomes a half as well. But it's just a little bit more work. It's more like just the way we did it is the best way. Just write all your fractions out like that and then start cross-canceling common factors. It's the easiest way, right?